Hello and welcome to the Stitch This Season 2025 online workshop. Today's video is not a prompt, it's just where we stitch the pages together. I want to show you my process, and this will help us gear up for the final part of this book. It's a quick little video and I hope you find it helpful.
So now I have both sections of pages, here and here, and eventually the book will close like this. I want to just stitch the pages to each other. It's the same procedure for both. You'll just take them and line them up in the center. Stitch on either side of that center seam, because this way we can stitch through that when we attach it to the book. So the first thing I'll do is stitch on either side of the seam here, keeping those pages unattached. This one is already stitched down. Okay, so I stitched down the center here, and now I just want to go around and stitch the perimeter to hold the pages together. So I'll have like a little booklet. Now on this one, we already stitched down the center when we did our pockets. The first thing I want to do is just tack down the pockets. Now because we have something to put in the pockets, and perhaps you have something thicker than this, I like to just use this as a guide. And then I just take one of the pages, the background page, and I'll just put it loose. I might even put a few things in the pocket just to give it a little additional bulk while I'm setting it down. And then from here, I'll just stitch it, just a few stitches to hold the pocket in place, not too snug. And I'll do this up and down here and up and down here to hold the pockets in place. So now, because I basted the pockets in place, so you can see here just a few stitches to hold it in place. You could also use a pin. Now I can go and stitch around all the pages here. So I'll do that, and then the pages will be complete and ready to be inserted into the book upon completion. All right, so I stitched around the pages. I have my two little signatures here. Loving how that's looking. So now I have that overhang from the pockets just so that I had enough room to fill the pockets with all those little goodies. So now I'm just going to clip them off just like that. I love working with pinking shears because you can line up the teeth so easily. And so there. See how I want to fill that, but for now that works out really well. So now my pages are done, and now the only prompts left are for the covers, back and front.
So that's how I stitch my pages together. Not all the videos are working on the prompts, but this video is very helpful for completing this book.